Kids are like good angels, innocent, honest and open to learn.
Yes,
Look Mom,
so why we shall
rabbits.
teach all on time, as they will search networks, asking for knowledge.
Better to learn from good sources, than fake madness.
Bob, do not touch they.
Animals run, when they feel not safe,
Look
and
Mom,
escape from
they run
danger,
away.
so as we shall do, Bobby, you should learn from they, are
So
friendly
cute.